Hello everyone, welcome to the Sports Kira, the sports quiz by SMC's Quiz Club. This quiz is by Partho, Prithvi, and Wajid. This is the final of the quiz. So here we go with the clockwise round of the quiz. Before that, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel and do share with your friends if you like the quiz. And if you are watching the premiere of this quiz, answers in the premiere chat. So here we go. First round with six question. So this person is a Nigerian born track and field athlete who competes for Bahrain. So this Nigerian born track uh, and field athlete, because of her downfall, it became a blessing for Indians. So how? So how it became blessing for Indians because of a downfall recently. So this is after she was disqualified for doping. Hima Das 2018 Asian Games silver medal was upgraded to gold. Question 2. We are looking for a particular franchisee. Ronnie Screwvala is a well-known and entrepreneur and movie producer in Bollywood who also produced numerous number of movies in his lifetime. He is owner of a well-known franchisee in sports which has the best record when compared to the other teams in that league over the years. The franchisee recently has even moved their focus to esports, which is widely considered the new channel of sports. So, which franchisee is being talked about when compared with their particular league? They record the best. So, this is Yumba, Pro Kabaddi being in context. So, in the 17th century, that's were impossible to grow in UK. So, UK can be a good hint and grow. Think on that part grows or something natural, and they had to be imported so that so being presented with one of a feast was seen as a great compliment. So, this was the reason behind a very peculiar thing seen atop a very prized position in a particular sports. So, UK being a clue, grow being a clue, so prized possession of a particular sport. So, simply fill in the blanks and which context were these lines spoken. So this is basically the pineapples and pineapples on the top of the Wimbledon trophy. So this is the reason why pineapple is in the top of the Wimbledon trophy, not the other fruits or anything else. Moving to question number 4. So when Michael Schumacher visited a certain tire shop, he said the following lines. After which the owner of the shop fainted as he had never thought that the great racer himself would ever come to visit his place. Fill in the blanks and where did the incident occur. So we are looking for where did this incident occur. So this is Lightning McQueen and this is Cars movie by Disney. Moving on to question number 5. So which sport and the inventor. So these are the words which were spoken by a person who somehow happens to be the inventor of a new sport that started in 2005. Although the original idea was given way back in 1997, so quite unlike the person was above, the game has a rule that only a maximum of 4 players of a particular gender can play at a time. Which sport and who is considered to be the inventor? Suppose it as it is given. So some hints in the post would be erasing the concept. Some hint in this question would be the years 2005 and 1997. Think on that line. So this is Quidditch by J.K. Rowling. Question number 6. So name this person who take an honorary kick off in a match versus Celta Vigo. He is also called by the name of the brand of instant noodle by a very noted Indian sports person from the same field as him. So he is not from this, not from the field of football, but something else. So he took a honorary kickoff in a match. Who is this person? So this is Magnus Carlsen. Moving on to the round 2. This was a written round. So the first question goes like this: connect this 4 person. So we had David, we had Alexander the Great, we had Charlemagne, and we had Caesar. So how can we connect it to a sports, or how, why are they in the sports quiz? Think on that line, and also think that they are 4 and they were king as well. So they are the 4 kings in the card. For spades it was David, Alexander the Great for clubs, and Charlemagne for hearts, and Caesar for diamonds. Moving on to question 2. Recently, a golden tiger was seen in the Kaziranga National Park, which had come into news. Little did people know that there was another rare white tiger found in the world renowned zoo in Cincinnati, Ohio, and uh, later led the naming of an American football team based in this city. The helmets and logo of the team are designed like that of the strips of this animal. What is the name of this American football club who plays in the NFL league? One of the easiest question. The focus on the location given in the question in the second para. So this is Cincinnati Bengals. Moving to question number 3. Who and XY. So who celebrated his country's qualification into European Championship holding a flag with the words X, golf, Y, in that order? The order shown reflected the player's priorities. Who also give XY. This is the Gareth Bale. For the Moving to question number 4. So we are looking for X and the interviewer. So who took the interview? So X said, first I wanted number 7 since my roll number in school was 7, but someone was already wearing jersey number 7. B, then a BCCI manager said I should take 18 since my birthday is on 18 July. At that time I didn't know that Virat Kohli also wears number 18. So who is X and who took the interview? This is Smriti Mandhana and interviewed by Yuzvendra Chahal. Moving on to question number 5, we are looking for one invention and the fighter. So, while thinking about the desire to invent a game which would revolutionize the market. He ordered a pizza weighed down by his thought. For a while, the pizza remained unsliced on the table. Then someone, noticing the inventor's evident lack of appetite, cut off a slice, but he kept staring fixedly at it and was struck by a thunderbolt of inspiration. So, what did he invent? Also, name the famous combat fighter who shared his name with the invention. This is Pac-Man, and Manny Pacquiao being the combat fighter. If you keep an eye on the name of the person, you can see that the first three letters of the person's name goes like Pac-Man. Moving on to question number 6, what? So simply, this is one uh, photograph of one particular form, you can say, or a document, you can say. What document it is? It reads as 14 July 2001. Place of appointment, it says Kharagpur. So pay and grade of the appointment says 3050. Date of joining says August 2. So Kharagpur can be a giveaway hint. So this is Dhoni's appointment into Indian Railways. So here the anti-clockwise round 3 starts. So here we had 6 questions. So which sport and the author? So which sport and the author being talked about? Alyssa Craig in a teeny island 16 kilometers away from the main Scotland. The island houses a very good quality of granite which is used to carve out stones which are used in the sport, and that is a common feature of the Winter Olympics. Another fact is that the lighthouse of this island was built by the father of a famous author whose was notable work can quite rightly be the nickname of this place. Identify the sport and the author. So, common feature of the Winter Olympics, carved out stones being the clue. So, Winter Olympic sport author, think on that line. So the answer is Curling and Stevenson, the Treasure Island, being the literary part. Moving to question number 2 of the third round. Fill in the blanks. So this says cardiomyopathy refers to the cardiomyopathic changes that occurs after long period of endurance training. Dash might have been the first one to have fallen prey to this heart problem when he collapsed after delivering his message. The suggesting etiology for the cardiomyopathy is the cardiac remodeling from the prolonged strenuous exercise like long distance running. So fill in the blanks. So long distance running is a clue. So this is Philippines. So he is said to have run from Marathon to Athens to deliver the news of the victory of the Battle of Marathon. Question number 3, what race? With the coronavirus pandemic, all kinds of sports, including racing, have taken a halt, but still, a weird type of racing has gained popularity. The game was first streamed on YouTube. Afterwards, this weird type of racing has garnered so much attention that even ESPN decided to broadcast the racing event on the channel. Who are the racers in the event, which is an entity most of us would have collected or played with within our childhood days? So collected in our childhood can be a giveaway hint. So, what we have collected in our childhood, considering you are a 80s or 90s kid, this is marble racing. Moving on to question number 4, which stadium? Uh, Commodus, a emperor whose role was enacted by Joaquin Phoenix in a 2000 film, was mostly known for cheating during his fight. So, for the opponent, when the competitor was the emperor himself, they had to let him win. If they didn't, there's no telling that what could have happened to you after the match. So, which stadium witnessed all these cruelties of Commodus the emperor? So, this is Colosseum. Moving on to question 5. When Alan Shepard was giving Bob Hope a look around of his workplace, he joked of doing something. It was still a mystery how Shepard managed to smuggle how Shepard managed to smuggle a club head and balls to his destination. So something Alan Shepard do instead, he took out his smuggled item and performed the very thing Bob Hope joked about. So, what did Alan Shepard do? So, club head and ball can be a giveaway hint. Something is smuggled to one particular destination. So, he went somewhere and did something with club heads and balls after smuggling particular item. So what did Bob Hope did? What did Alan Shepard do? So he played golf on the moon, and it is considered that only sport that was played on moon is golf. Moving on to question number 6, who was awarded the man of the match in this game? Take a keen look. The match was drawn between New Zealand and South Africa. So, who was the man of the match in this game? So, this is the groundman for making the pitch possible to play despite heavy rains. So, groundsman fetches you full points. So, the final round, which was a theme round, uh, all the uh, all the element from the question or answer goes into the final theme. So, Richard Raskin, an American ophthalmologist, was also a tennis player. In 1960 U.S. National Championship, Richard lost in the first round of NLE refresher and eventual champion before going into a 17 years spell of hibernation. In 1977, the individual in question came back in the same tournament to take Virginia Wade in the first round and once again ended up losing. I am talking about this mere normal tennis star? So after 17 years of hibernation, there was a comeback in 1977. This is played first as male and then as female after the sex change operation. At this position, if someone is trying for the theme, he would have got plus 105 or minus 60. uh, who For the question number 2, who uh, it was past midnight on Valentine's Day of 2013 when we woke up when he woke up in his couch in his home in Pretoria. He had heard an intruder entering his house and changed towards the noise while picking up the pistol he had. He noticed that they came from inside the bathroom and thus shot multiple times through the door. But rather, it was his girlfriend who had been shot. This story shook the world as he had been a flag bearer of his country. Identified this person who thus ended his sporting career and continues to serve a prison sentence. So this is Oscar Pistorius. Question 3, which superhero? So Roberto Velasquez was a former boxer from Puerto Rico, who never made it because of his small stature. But after taking part in the operation that gave him superhuman strength, uh, he became so powerful that he inadvertently killed another fighter during a bout. At that point, he became the superhero who was named after a weight class in boxing, which in turn was named after a domestic bird. At one point, he even found himself fighting alongside Captain America himself, but he ultimately died during the Civil War story arc. Which superhero? Named after a weight class in boxing, which in turn was named after a domestic bird. Which superhero is being talked about? So this is Batman. Moving on to question number 4, which sport or tool? In India, the game existed before 1500 BC and named after its city of origin called the Dash of the East. The Dash happens to be one of the most premier educational institutions throughout the world. The important tool for the game is made from stomach lining of the cat. While over the years, most of the players have started using synthetic tool. Some players still use cuts made from dried stomach linings of the animal like cats or cows. Which game and what tool? So this is badminton and the rackets. Moving on to the next question, question 5. The sports star was born in 1994. Family member of this person identified their child's strength from an early age of just 12. This person could easily carry bundle of firewood to the home, which the elder brother found it hard to even pick up. So that would be a giveaway hint for which sport being talked about. Major breakthrough came of the individual was the Glasgow edition of the Commonwealth Game, where the individual made us proud by securing the silver medal in the 48 kg weight category. Identify. So easily carry bundle of firewood to the home, which the elder brother found it hard to even pick up. So this is my Psych Home Mirabai Chano, wrestling being weightlifting being in the question. Question number 6, identify who is this person in army dress. Identify. Sportsman turned politician. So this is Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. Moving on to the last question of the quiz. Which rule is being demonstrated where here which has benefited Indians on multiple occasions? So the what is this rule called is what we need. So before moving on to the answers and the theme of the quiz, thank you for watching the full video. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel and do share with your friends if you like the quiz, and do give the reviews in the comment section. So the answer of this question goes like this. So till now probably you would have got the theme. If not, at least last 3-4 questions were giveaway. So the theme goes like, there are sport categories in which India has won individual medals. For tennis, Lender Pace. For athletics, Norman Pitcher. For boxing, Mary Kom and Vijender Singh. For badminton, Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu. For weightlifting, Karnam Malleshwari. For shooting, Abhinav Bindra, Gagan Narang, Vijay Kumar and Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. For wrestling, KD Jadhav, Sushil Kumar, Yogeshwar Dutt and Sakshi Malik. So that's all from the SMC side and from my side. For the upcoming quizzes, stay in contact. Thank you.